I'm so very, very sorry. This is an authentic 18th century song about farts. I just love when early music turns up a real gem. If you are a music teacher desperately looking for a way to stop your students saying 6, 7, why not get them to sing about farting instead? I'm warning you, this song is a bit uncouth, but I love it. So I was browsing the library at the Royal College of Music in London, where I am a professor, and I was perusing a book called The Catch Club or Merry Companions from 1762. There, I've set the scene. I found a lovely song called The Derbyshire Lady. Oh, I said, I'm from Derbyshire. How lovely. Maybe I could be the Derbyshire Lady. So it was actually only later when I was going through the song properly that I realised it's hilarious subject material. I'm going to play and sing it for you in a moment. And if you want to play it yourself, I have in fact made an arrangement for recorders. You can get it at the link below in a version for soprano or alto. First, where did this 300-year-old song that is genuinely about flatulence come from? This song form, known as a catch, has been popular for centuries. A catch is a type of canon. It differs from the canon in that it has built-in cadences where all the voices can stop together. The earliest form of a catch we know is "Summer is a comin' from the 13th century. Now, 500 years after that, into the 18th century, catches were still wildly popular in London. I guess we didn't have social media to entertain us yet. The Noblemen and Gentlemen's Catch Club was founded in 1761, where genteel musicians could get together and not only sing these catches, they competed with them too. You could compose and enter your own contrapuntal songs in categories such as glees, which were more artistic, and catches, which were bawdy. And yes, this is where the term glee club comes from. So these catches were published in volumes such as the one the Derbyshire Lady comes from, and they included composers such as Henry Purcell, edited by the composer John Walsh. These are big names in English Baroque. So I just love this because it's not only a really nice little piece of music, it shows that classical musicians have always had a sense of humour. The piece itself isn't absolutely perfect. There's quite a few clashing notes, for example, but I can look past that. So without further ado, let's hear the Derbyshire Lady. At the song of my lady's lace, which a Derbyshire lady took ill, quoth she to her neighbour Grace, "'Tis immodest, 'tis immodest, 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 I cannot sit still." So she nuzzled and bustled about, and out of the room she went, but nobody followed her out, for she dropped, 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 and unfaithfully said, "Doth needs no deceiving art, and if I may speak what I think, she had let her fizzing fart, fizz, 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 fart, and went out of the room to sting. So she whistled and whistled and laughed, and out she spake she did. But he followed her out, but she dropped his immodest, 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 so she whistled and whistled about, and out she spake she did. She had yet to say her prayers, immodest, 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 and proud to sing. So she whistled and whistled There we go, what fun! Don't forget to grab your copy of the sheet music below, and all of the proceeds from this go to support the channel, so I'm really grateful. I am realising as I made this video, I played this in a different key because it fits the range of my voice a bit better, but I am including play along backing tracks in the sheet music if you want to play along with that. As always, you can subscribe to Team Recorder by clicking on my face down here. Over here's the Team Recorder web shop where you can get the sheet music for yourself. Here's some more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.